calls case People versus Larzell, Washington. Larzell, Washington.
Good morning, Edward Dukes on behalf of Larzell, Washington.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
Larzell in Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we had referred this over to the recovery court. I spoke with them and they indicated that they've in receipt of all the information to do an intake. However, they have not done that interview. That interview could be completed within the week. Like if we could have a 1-week adjournment.
Probable cause conference, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. bound continue. Court calls case People
Excuse me.
versus Marquise
No,
Fab.
no, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
The hearing opens with Judge Simpson calling the courtroom to order. The tension is already thick as Mr. Laurel Rosal Washington stands before the court. His case has been sent to recovery court for assessment, but that process seems to be dragging on. The judge mentions a 1-week adjournment, but you can sense something deeper brewing. What do you think? Should a delay in assessment be enough to keep someone waiting behind bars?
Can I please have a word? With all due respect.
I think Mr. Washington would like to address bond.
Excuse me, Miss.
Go ahead.
How you doing, Your Honor? My
I'm
name is
great.
Larzell near Washington. First and foremost, forgive me about my outbreak last time I was here.
Can I have that file?
And thank
Go
you,
ahead.
sir. Thank you, sir. What happened was I wasn't aware, as my attorney indicated, what day was my probable cause hearing was. Okay, I went back to the magistrate. They said, no, well, we're gonna let Judge Simpson handle it. Then last time I came here, it was a 2-week hold because they didn't do their job. I feel I shouldn't have to
They
leave.
didn't. Who didn't do the job?
What you say? You gave him a plea.
The recovery court?
Well, I didn't ask for no recovery court, but whatever assessment you gave him, it was 2 weeks, and the honorable judge said, okay, well, I'm not going to change his bond. Now, you still didn't indicate I was looking for a bond. And I wasn't even aware of a drug court. So with all due respect, I do appreciate you, but I did, unfortunately, miss my court date.
Right.
I was,
And then
Mr. Washington asks to speak. His voice cracks slightly as he apologizes for an outbreak at a previous hearing. A rare, vulnerable moment in a courtroom usually ruled by procedure. He insists he didn't know his court date and claims confusion between the magistrate and his attorney. His frustration is clear. He feels trapped in a system moving slower than his life can handle. He even says he came into custody while trying to help someone. Being a good Samaritan. Do you believe his story, or does it sound like an excuse?
how'd you come into custody?
oh, I came into custody? What, trying to, being a good Samaritan. Some woman was being stalked, and they figured out what my name was, and I totally forgot. I really didn't know what court date it was. And I was disciplined for the first, and in discipline, well, not necessarily discipline, you allowed it to, override until they took care of their own situation, but it's not my fault.
So who is they?
Would you explain to him?
Well, I think I got to collect more of that story.
Okay, you gave him a piece of paper about assessment along with a plea.
Mhm.
Okay, I get here today, the assessment not taken care of. Right?
You just want them to speed up the process. I
No,
think we
not
gotta-
them. It's not his fault. He's a judge.
Mhm.
They
Thank you.
supposed to be.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's right. Nothing is my fault.
No, yes, it's not.
That's right. I know.
Amen. So I'm saying, I'm just trying to, sir, live my life. I normally work the carnival shows. I have really been disciplined for not being aware of to show up. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again.
As Washington continues, the judge and attorney try to make sense of the tangled timeline. It's almost chaotic. Everyone speaking, interrupting, clarifying. Washington's voice turns emotional. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again. He's pleading for a second chance. A personal recognizance bond, meaning release without paying bail. But just as things seem to settle, a phone rings in court, breaking the tension and the judge's patience. Yet can you imagine how embarrassing that must have been in such a tense moment?
Hey, one moment. Whose phone is that? It's somebody down there's phone. It's hers? Tana's phone? Really? Go ahead, sir.
And I'm not ignorant enough not to show up in front of Judge Simpson courtroom again.
I think he is saying that he would show up to court next time. He's asking for a PR bond.
Yes, I am, sir.
If the court would not provide a PR bond at this time, if the court would allow an interview to take place, if that interview takes place, then the court provide a PR bond.
I never said that. I asked, could you please provide a PR bond? And I will.
I addressed this the last time you were here.
What was it about?
I think they're gonna keep you in.
All right, man, you're fired. God bless you. And thank you, Your Honor.
Why is he fired?
Because he's not speaking up for me. I really don't even know what's going on.
Oh, it would, okay, so does you understand before you make that final decision about firing him? It
Well,
wouldn't have mattered whether you spoke or he spoke. I was denying your motion. I've already
okay.
heard it.
well, I don't know. Why are you denying the motion? And what's so funny?
Because
Wow.
you appeared here, didn't show up, didn't turn yourself in, got picked up, got brought here.
Yes.
That's how we got you back.
And the
So I'm
magistrate,
not releasing you
right, the
now.
magistrate
Okay, so
did not release me, and then
that's right.
you didn't release me
That's
because
right.
you wait for assessment. Am I
And I
correct?
haven't had the assessment yet. Have
Exactly. So is it my fault you haven't had assessment? Is it your fault?
I?
When Washington realizes the court won't release him, everything changes. He fires his attorney on the spot, saying, "He's not speaking up for me." The judge calmly explains that even if his lawyer had argued more, the result would have been the same. His motion for bond is denied. Washington pushes back, asking, "Why are you denying the motion?" The judge lays it out. He missed court, got picked up, and hasn't completed his assessment. But then comes the heartbreaking exchange. The judge says it's not clear whose fault it is, and Washington, defeated, replies, "God bless you. Thank you." Have you ever felt like you were fighting a system too big to hear you?
My fault? I thought nothing was my fault.
So whose fault is it?
I don't know.
But it's not mine. You do agree.
No, I don't agree.
The assessment, do I?
I don't know whose fault it is. It hasn't happened. I'm done.
Pretty much. God bless you.
Thank you,
And you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, keep talking. Why are you up here at my, why are you at my podium? Why are you at my podium? Next time, Tana, turn your phone up louder when that's going on.
And then it was.
Did I call your case?
Yes, you did. You called, Mr. Babb, Marquise Babb.
Oh, that was so long ago. You're right. You are right, Miss Cannon. And I usually criticize you for not getting up here on time. And I have to give you credit that you're like early.
Got it, Judge.
Court calls the case, people of the state of Michigan versus Babb.
That is on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of Mr. Babb, who should be appearing by Zoom. Oh, thank God. He's good.
Mr. Babb,
Please be there. So what had happened?
Marquise Bab, you need to unmute and turn on your camera. Every week, Cannon. Every week.
I was doing my part today.
Never mind. I'm gonna say something.
The courtroom moves on, but the mood lingers. A new case begins. The tone lighter, almost comical, as technical glitches take over. A defendant on Zoom fumbles with their mic and camera, prompting the judge to joke, "Every week, Cannon, every week." The humor is a small relief after the tension-filled moments with Washington. It's a reminder that courtrooms, while serious, are still full of real people, flaws and all. Do you think moments like these help ease courtroom pressure, or do they distract from justice being served?
This is
Great, he got it.
yes, I can relate. This is so you. You're like, what? Oh, uh-oh. Mr. Bab?
Yes, sir, Judge.
All right, you got your camera on?
You need the camera as well?
Yes, Mr. Babb.
All right. Ms. Harvey, can you state your name?
No, I can't. I know, you got, my last name is Michelle. Where are you? Where are you?
I met with you in jail yesterday.
Look, if it's gonna skip, okay, yeah, okay.
All right. You're Miss Harvey?
Yeah.
Okay. You're seeking an adjournment?
I am, Your Honor.
No, not you. I'm not Miss Harvey. People don't miss Harvey. I'm Harvey. I'm Harvey like that. People don't miss me, but I'm Harvey.
Okay,
Miss Harvey, I'm
maybe
Harvey.
she doesn't want to be addressed as a Mrs.
Understood.
I know Miss. People don't misses me or nothing. I'm a Harvey.
Sorry about that.
My apologies.
Okay.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned June 5th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond continued.
We'll be in touch, Harvey, okay?
When?
I'll come to
Excuse me,
you.
what's going on?
We just adjourned your case. Winona, remember we spoke yesterday and you said
Until when?
Which date did you get?
June 5th.
Thank you.
June
Sorry.
5th, you want to see me?
No, I'm going to see you before then.
Look, I'm not going back. I can't go back in the conference room. That hurt my back a lot.
Finally, the judge calls a new defendant, Ms. Harvey, whose fiery personality immediately takes over the virtual courtroom. She corrects the judge sharply. "I ain't no miss. People don't miss me. I'm Harvey." Even through the screen, her confidence is palpable. The court reschedules her case to June 5th, but she refuses to leave quietly, complaining about back pain from the conference room. The judge remains calm, but clearly ready to wrap things up. Would you call this confidence or defiance?
That room you took me and hurt my back a lot.
Okay. I'm gonna let you talk to your attorney some other place, okay?
Okay,
Thank you.
sure.
Shut her, please.